strategic investor relations, blueprint for Ogun State Nigeria economy, sustainability establishing the long-dated patient investment capital, cluster center to accelerate Nigeria's aspirations for $1 trillion GDP output and sustain all-inclusive prosperity. By 2031, Ogun State Nigeria has reached the most consequential and defining moment of evolution and transition of its political economy outlook model to an authoritative, compelling, and competitive subnational sub-Saharan Africa cluster center of long-dated patient equity and debt investment capital flows to accelerate Nigeria's aspirations for $1 trillion GDP output and unleashing unprecedented, sustained prosperity by 2031. This clarion call to action is against the backdrop for appropriate economic model strategy blueprint towards root and branch transformation of the gateway state from largely agrarian rural Lagos, state backwater, to a modern, flourishing, thriving, boisterous, confident subnational economy. Ogun State Nigeria has all the key fundamentals: ecosystem to drive and achieve the envisioned transition, political economy model of global diaspora capital flows in technical, business, finance, investment, capital facilitation, origination, fundraising, formation, and application with deep connections to global and local asset and fund owners, managers and advisors. A very prominent and well-respected global asset manager and investor of Ogun State origin is Dr. Adebayo Ogunlesi, Chairman, Global Infrastructure Partners, GIF, and now Senior Managing Director in BlackRock after the latter acquisition of GIF in October 2024. BlackRock is the largest asset, wealth, and investment management firm in the world, with assets under management, AUM, of $12.6 trillion. Dr. Akinwumi Adesina, the immediate past president of African Development Bank, AFDB, Mr. Wale Edun, Minister of Finance and Coordinating Economy, Mr. Fola Adiola, founder of Guarantee Trust Bank, GTCO, and chairman of Cardinal Stone Partners Group, Mr. Ladi Balogun, Group CEO, FCMB Holdings, Mr. Balaji Balogun, founder, Chapel Hill Denim. Ogun State Nigeria must take advantage of the yawning gaps and open space in strategic positioning and branding of neighboring Lagos State as Nigeria Investment Capital Center. Currently, Lagos State is premier banking center for short-term tenor, asset liability mismatched financial products such as working capital, trade finance, guarantees of companies and government treasuries. These short-term banking products are ill-suited for long-term assets, investment plays, and needs of envisioned $1 trillion economy. These favorite misaligned financial tools of commercial banks often manifest and mutate in their books to stunted balance sheet illiquidity, hardcore non-performing assets, premature risk asset impairment, bottom lines losses, negative shareholders funds, capital inadequacy, eventual bank business distress, insolvency and foreclosure. This liquidity-challenged financial structure landscape outcome often constitutes grave systemic risk to accelerated political socioeconomic growth, inequality, jobs, and wealth incomes creation. The alternative balanced enduring economic growth pathways are in multitudes of intermediary platforms that match long-term horizon lenders/investors with long-term borrowers/investee companies. Ogun State Nigeria is positioned to evolve and emerge as the habitat of asset, wealth, and investment management firms, offering bespoke solutions to sovereign, institutional, corporate, and retail investors, financial advisory and risk management services, private markets, and alternatives. The focus will be on profitable long-term debt and equity capital intermediation for high-end electric power, transportation and social infrastructure, food and agribusiness, oil and gas, mining, fast-moving consumer goods, and sovereign and corporate equities and debts. Ogun State Nigeria economy, reinvention, renaissance leapfrog, as long-dated patient investment capital destination and center have finally arrived cohabiting the Nigeria's premier business, financial and investment capital landscape narratives with Lagos State. Certainly and surely, Ogun State Nigeria economy sustainability is on our mind. Iseya, work starts now. Thank you. For further inquiries, please contact Mr. Inatan Sanusi, Managing Director/CEO Climate, Friendly's Capital Management Company Limited, CFC Telmern 23480884596005. Email climatefriendliescapital@gmail.com.